Hi everyone! Today I will share with you how I organize our AG doll stuffs. So almost everything is organized in this closet, and this closet is located in my craft room where I film all my DIY and setup videos. So I think it's convenient for both myself and my daughters, since the craft room is next to the playroom where the dollhouse is. So let's check it out! So here it is, almost all of our AG dolls' clothes, shoes, accessories are being organized in this closet. We still have stuff scattered around the dollhouse, but I think this is the best spot so far for this year because being an AG YouTuber, I keep accumulating more and more stuff all the time, and I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out next year, but for this year, that's how it is. So let's start from the top. At the very far end, I use that little space to store American Girl doll boxes. I have a lot more boxes and I store them in different storage areas. Then I use this clear plastic box for beddings, the beddings that I did for other videos. Next is for my future video stuff, so I just put it there and I can see what I have. And in that basket, I have all the mini dolls and mini stuffed animals for our dolls. And I'd like to thank Sage Smith for sending all of your mini dolls to me. Thank you so much. You're a great fan. Going down here, I have all of the Be Forever dresses or the long gowns and long costumes. So these are basically for all the long dresses. On my right hand side, this area is for all of the fancy dresses or holiday dresses. And then going down on the right hand side again, I have these clothes that are in outfits, so they're basically meat outfits or anything that comes together as a whole outfit. I hang them together there. And then going towards my left hand side, I have the outerwear and casual dresses. Going down, I have the sweaters, basically tops, t-shirts or sweaters or shirts, and at the very bottoms I have skirts and shorts. Going towards the left wall, I use this wall to hang and organize all of the headbands and sunglasses and casual glasses. So I made all of these holder, and I like everything to be exposed so that I can see everything and it's easier to take things out and in and out. And then going towards my right hand side, this is where I hang all of the hair clips, and I made this hair clip holder. I made a few of them, but most of these hair clips are from the Claire store. My daughters love Claire, and so every time when I go there, we have that promotion of buying 3 things, get 3 things for free, and then we ended up not knowing what else to get for that free portion. So I ended up getting all those cute babies hair clips, and they're great for American Girl dolls. Going down on the right hand side, I use this hook that I bought from the dollar store to hang all of the American Girl doll plastic bags and little fancy bags. And I love the system of those plastic drawers that I got from the dollar store. So I use them for tiny little things, and the first one I used to store and organize all of the barrettes and earrings of our dolls. And then going down, I have all of the different just the hair ties. So you can see here we have Samantha's hair tie, and then we have the fabric kinds of headbands, not the plastic one, but these are all made out of plastic or ribbons. And then I have the necklaces, different kind of necklaces for our dolls. And in that drawer I have different kind of belts for our doll. So you can see I have Luciana's belt. And at the very bottom, I use that drawer to organize our doll scarves. Moving to the middle compartment at the very top, I use this drawer to store all the crowns and tiaras. So you can see Isabel's tiara, and there is a mermaid crown that I just made. I think I have more, but there's somewhere I still have to organize, and then that's for hair extension. And then down here I use this drawer to store all the leg warmers and mittens. And then I use that for socks. And then I use one drawer for the dance flats, the ballet dance flats. And the very bottom, I use that drawer for all of our dolls' personal stuff. So you can see mirrors, lipsticks, makeup, medicine, like those tiny little knickknacks, personal care. And then here I just have different sleeping masks. Next, I use this drawer to store all the hair care stuff. And then this is my favorite drawer where I used to store all of the bills, coins, so basically money and travel documents, identifications. As you can see, we have a cute tiny little student card right here. Going down to this drawer, I used to store all of the electronics, so we do have a lot of laptops, iPods, phones, cameras. My kids took all of them away to play with. And then I use this to store and organize like stationeries, envelopes, different souvenirs, any tiny little souvenir stuffs, photos. I keep them all in here. And at the very bottom, I use this to keep all of the aprons, different kind of aprons at Home Depot. So cute. It came along with a gift card. And then at the very bottom compartments, I use to store like shoes and boots. Over here, I use this plastic drawer to store all of the boots. And I know in the future I need more storage areas. Then I use this middle drawer to keep all of my headwear stuff, so different hats and beret and it's like winter hats, straw hats. Going towards the right hand side, I use this drawer for different kind of bags and backpacks. My kids love playing with backpacks. They love playing school, so we do have a lot of different kinds of backpacks. Moving down to these plastic drawers, so this is a 3-drawer compartments that I use. The top one I use it for occasion wear. I don't have anything beside a veil in there. And then going down to the middle drawer, I have all different kinds of swimwear, beach towels, beach ball, and swimsuits. And at the very bottom drawer, I used to store all the sportwear and like sport accessories like pom-poms and soccer outfits and tennis outfits and different dance outfit. This is a letter tray that I got from IKEA's in the office section. The original idea came from a video that I came across on YouTube. I tried to find her again to give her some credits, but I couldn't find that video. But anyways, it's a great system where you can place 9 pairs of shoes on one drawer tray. So there are 4 here, and I'm going to make the bottom one just to get more storage. And going towards my right hand side, I use a very top drawer for sleepwear. I do have a lot more sleepwear outfits that I keep in the dollhouse, where I have different areas to store various like simple outfits out there for our girls to play with, so it's for their convenience. And then in the middle drawers here, I have panties and then different tights or pantyhose or tights here. And at the very bottom, I used to store all of the travel stuff, so there are different luggages, pouches. I have a camera, and then even the sleepover set from our generation, I keep everything here as well. So you can see at the very far end, I have all different kinds of neck pillows, so all of the travel stuffs Last but not least, I try to fill the very bottom part of the closet with different plastic boxes. And in this box, I use this to store all of the stuff for my very next video. And you can take a peek in there. Can anyone guess what the next video is gonna be about? Anyways, I use this metal box to store all of the musical instruments in here because musical instruments, they come in big pieces and then tiny little pieces like a flute or something, so it'd be nice to put everything together in a box. And with the last box, I used to store all the pets and different pets care in here. I don't know when we're gonna have a room, but we do have more pets in the dollhouse. So I'm not sure, but I thought it'd be nice to keep everything together for now in the box together so everything's more organized. That's pretty much for now. I do have a lot more stuff and maybe in the future I need a bigger space, but for now I think it's great to store all of the stuff that my children play with. So I think it's a good idea to organize everything for my daughters and for myself so that I know what I have and what I don't have when I prepare for my video making. So I hope this video will give you some organizing ideas for your dolls. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And for the new people, please press the subscribe button and I shall see you soon. Bye!